Hi, I'm Ed. Welcome to Draw with Ed Vere.
Guys, today we meet Fingers McGraw, notorious cheese thief. He has shocked the city with a string of spectacular heists. Here he is in Mo O'Sullivan's cheese parlour, about to steal some cheese. Oh my goodness. And here he is. He's stolen it. He has made his getaway. And now he's just looking for some help. Will you be his lookout? I don't know. But now is time to draw. So, to draw a sneaky cheese thief called Fingers McGraw, we start, as always, with a circle. And that goes around like this, and next to it we have another circle. Goes around like this, and okay, he's going to be going this way. I want him to look back, so we're going to draw a pupil here and another one here, and he's looking back to see who's chasing him. Probably a policeman. A couple of lines here. Just remember, if I go too fast, you can stop the video at any time, pause it and catch up. A line across like that, another line across like this, and now we take a line, we're going to draw an ear. He's got quite long ears. Across, up, and then down like this, and the next one up, around, down to about there, and this rectangle is his face mask, because he is a master of disguise, and with this face mask nobody will recognize him. Look at that. Okay, now we start from here and we draw a line going down like this to about here, then a circle like that, and in that circle a tiny circle which is going to be a highlight. A highlight is where the light falls on an object, making it look more three-dimensional. Now we draw a line, we follow this line down to about here. And we're going to draw a line across here, but about here we pause, and we're going to give him a cheeky little smile, because he thinks he's gotten away with it. Has he? Let's see. Now, a line down here, and then a line like this down here, and then one that connects them like this. This is his body, very simple. And I think we'll draw an arm next. That curves around a little bit like this. And then 1, 2, 3 little mouse fingers. And again on this side, arm curves around. And instead of the fingers, we are now going to draw a large swag bag. A swag bag is what a cheese thief might keep all his stolen cheese in. So we draw some little fingers just clutching that. And what do we need now? What do you think? I think we could do with some legs. So we're going to draw him running. So the forward leg is going to curve around like this, and then a foot comes up to about there. And the back leg is going to come down here, and then it's going to bend at the knee up to there, and then little foot just like that. And now then, what do all mice have? Starts from here, comes out like this, the tail. I like to give all of my characters a shadow which grounds them in the space that they're in on the piece of paper. It makes them look like they're standing somewhere rather than floating in space. So I could do the shadow, and very often you do it when it just connects with the foot, where the foot touches the ground. But if you're running at high speed like this, then just draw the shadow a little bit underneath, and then it looks like he's running. And when you run, you're not always on the ground. In between steps, you're flying through the air, just like Fingers. Okay, also in this book, there are a couple of birds who are bystanders, and they witness these terrible deeds. So let's draw them in. Here's one. We draw a circle for an eye, a pupil like that, and the body. I'm going too fast, don't forget you can pause the video. The body goes around like this to there. Tail feathers. Beak open in horror. Wing. Another wing like this. Could even do a little feather coming out, a couple of motion lines. And let's draw his legs like this. And if we, again with the shadow, if we draw it like this, it looks like he's jumping off the ground. And another bird, she can be on this side. And she's doing much the same, but from this angle, like this. So we draw the body this time like this, over the top of the eye. And like this, tail feathers, like this, her beak, open in shock and outrage, and her wings flapping. She's never seen anything like this before. A cheese thief, here. Couple of feathers. And let's have her jumping back. Surprise. Little shadow. Okay, I think it's time to do some colouring. So you colour whatever colour you like, and I am going to do the same. And I'm going to sign my name at the bottom, like this. You can write your name too, if you like. And if you liked drawing this video, you can tell your friends. Okay, I forgot to add one thing, a very important thing. And that is to make him look extra sneaky. We give him expression like that. And that is how you draw Fingers McGraw.
How did you get on? I'd love to see your drawings. You can share them with me using the hashtag #DrawWithEdVere, and you can find all of my videos at edvere.com. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel, and then you can see all of my new videos, and you can find some brilliant videos by other authors and illustrators at booktrust.org.uk/hometime. I look forward to seeing all of you next time.